Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for that overwhelming show of support when we announced that we are moving to a larger location in January. So, here's just a little bit of what we've been doing for these past few months in preparation for the move. We met some really cool folks in a shop in Highland who had these cool slat wall aisles. So as we said, we are expanding our product selections. So even though the space is much bigger, we still need more places to hang things. So my dad and I went out to Highland, Illinois for a few days to take down, disassemble these cool slat wall aisles. So the owner's husband had actually hand built these with a couple of his friends, and we found some fun surprises on the inside, like beer cans and stuff like that. They're natural. No. Oh, mosquito.
Mosquito, get away from my mom.
So as you can probably imagine, we have been very excited and anxiously awaiting just getting into the new space. And what we didn't imagine, what we didn't think was going to happen was that it would take 5 months before we were able to actually put anything into the new space. Lease negotiations took a long time. The licensing agreements were delayed. Man, it was silly. So what you're going to see coming up next is that we actually had to store some of the slat wall aisles and retail units actually in our parking lot, in the back parking lot of our old shop or our current shop. They would not fit in our space, in our old space. So regularly we had to come out and retarp them. We actually had to close down our classroom because the slat wall from the aisles were in our classroom. But thankfully that didn't last too long. Nice. Nope. Are you tired too?